Welcome to RANsquawk's EU morning briefing for Wednesday, the 17th of February 2010. In terms of the Asian session, Chinese participants out for their final day. In terms of the Shanghai Composite was closed, but the Nikkei did finish up 2.7% higher for the session, following on from the gains that we're seeing on the close on Wall Street. That has also fed through into the UK and European opening, where the FTSE CAC and DAX are all trading positive territory. CAC and DAX up around the 1% margin, the FTSE up around 0.7. Some minor underperformance there given BP, the oil major, one of the largest components in the index, being ex-dividend today. Financials, they've led on the sector basis in the Eurozone note in terms of the stock move higher. That's been led after the very good earnings results we had from BNP Paribas in France pre-market today. They're seen trading higher, leading some of the banking stocks. Elsewhere in the FTSE as well, Man Group shares are up around 7% after reports in UK press and the Daily Mail that they may have or may receive potential bid interest from US's BlackRock. In terms of the things that we have seen this morning, it is worth noting that the focus was on the UK Bank of England minutes of the February meeting, which showed a surprising unanimous 9-0 vote to pause the QE at 200. That did see a sell-off down in gilt futures, as much of the market anticipation of that rate meeting at the time were suggesting a possible of a split in the MPC board on whether further QE may have been needed. As mentioned, gilts are trading lower on the wake of that. However, some of the losses have been stopped or capped, if you like, by the jobless claims change, which actually came out at plus 25,000. Analysts were anticipating a drop of 10,000. So although the minutes have weighed on gilts, they are being roughly supported at the lows, having seen a worsening of the job situation in the UK. Looking forward then in terms of the US session, we'll look for some minor improvements in terms of the latest housing starts and building permits, and of course the focus will turn to the latest in the FOMC minutes. Also of note as well, President Obama, he's due to speak a bit later on in the US session. According to overnight press, Obama will sign an executive order tomorrow, setting up a bipartisan commission to propose ways to tackle the ballooning US deficit, according to senior administrative officials. And then just for energy traders, after the NYMEX pit close, we'll get the weekly API numbers.